Hi, my name is Abhishek Agarwal, and I'm the founder and CEO of Crowdify.
And I'm Mauricio Santana Vargas, and I am the Chief Data Scientist for Crowdify.
At Crowdify, our mission is to help you achieve your dreams, and achieve those dreams by getting you superior returns and in a simplified manner. Prior to doing Crowdify, I was working at Bank of America, managing nearly $500 billion worth of unsecured consumer loans and $2 trillion worth of mortgage portfolio. I have managed portfolios of celebrities like Bill Clinton and Bill Gates.
And I was an economist at Bank of America Merrill Lynch, and I did economic analysis in the Americas and Europe. Lately, I was doing models for statistical analysis for complex assets like what we're researching now.
Life is hard, and saving money is even harder. Once you have saved money, intelligent investing is nearly impossible. We are at Crowdify here to help you. Whether you are a fresh graduate out of college looking to buy their dream car, or a newly married couple looking to buy their dream home, or a retiree looking to augment your retirement income, we have a plan for you.
We have found that doing model analysis through our own methods, we can get you a 6% or 4% return, which is much better than we could find in any savings account.
This is nearly 500 times better than the savings account, which means a savings of $50 per month to achieve your dream over a span of 5 years of buying a $20,000 worth of car. To get started, go to www.crowdify.com/goals. Once you have completed the sign-up steps, we will automatically deduct monthly money from your account and deposit and invest it automatically. Once the dream has been achieved, we will liquidate the portfolio and deposit the money back to your checking account so that you can achieve your dreams. Again, to get started, www.crowdify.com/goals. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.